What's so funny, TSM?
Disco Bob, yeah, let's go. Disco Bob, let's go. Tune in to Disco Bob, YouTube right now, let's go. Hey, Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard, but you tuning in with Disco Bob. Disco hard, I don't mean to flex so hard.
Hello everyone, I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. So, I was at my local Walmart and I finally found these Reese's Creamy Peanut Butter Cups and these Reese's Crunchy Peanut Butter Cups. So, I couldn't find them in my area, but I happened to find them yesterday. So, we're going to give them a try. We're going to start out with the Crunchy. I love anything Reese's. You know, Reese's is, you can't go wrong with anything Reese's. Very good. Very good. With the peanuts in it, with the crunchy peanuts in it. Very good. I kind of like that. The crunchy. Like I said, you can't go wrong with Reese's. But I happened to ran into these at Walmart. There was a big display on them. So let's try the creamy. Let's try the creamy. I tell you what, guys. Out of all these, out of the both of these, I love the creamy the most. Same taste as regular Reese's, but real creamy. I gotta say, I really like these. The textures, it's a real creamy texture of these Reese's. Man, are they good. And I really like the crunchy also. But out of the two, I prefer the creamy. I like the crunchy. It's not real crunchy. You know, you could taste a little bit of the peanuts. But I like the texture of the creamy Reese's. I like the texture of it. And I also like the texture of the crunchy a little bit too. Because I like to eat anything. I like to have it, and it's nice when you can eat something a little bit crunchy sometimes. But, hey, I really like these. The crunchy, yeah, it's good. I like it. It's good. It's got same Reese's taste, but different textures. But I prefer the creamy. Yeah, I prefer the creamy. But definitely go with the creamy. And I know a lot of people has tried it and said they like the creamy. But it's pros and cons, you know. Like I said, but it's pros and cons. But hey, they're both good. So I found these yesterday and I wanted to do a review on these. Definitely, but yeah, anything Reese's, guys. But I give them 2 thumbs up. I give the creamy ones are my favorite. And the crunchy ones are okay. I'd still get the crunchy ones, but I prefer the creamy out of the two. But like I said, the same Reese's taste, but different textures. But hey, I hope everybody enjoyed this review on this creamy and crunchy Reese's cups. So I had to get the king sizes. They didn't have the small sizes. But I hope everybody has a good one. Thanks for watching this review. And we're going to keep the dream alive for my roller skate dancing. I'm keeping the dream alive for my roller skate dancing. I'm daring to dream. So everybody have a good one. And thank you, everybody, for watching. And I appreciate every one of you guys' support. You guys are awesome. We're getting close to 5K. So, what an exciting time. So, have a good one, everyone.
What's so funny, TSM?
You tuned in with the disco vibe. Let's go disco, go hard.